Looking for an easy professional way to give your security camera a clean, uniform look, no matter the size or shape? Meet the CE-CTSMD, the Universal Ceiling Tile Surface Mount Dome from Clinton Electronics. The CE-CTSMD is built for versatility, accommodating camera housings up to 6 inches in diameter, and supporting a wide range of mounting patterns for a quick, hassle-free installation, from microdomes to large vandal domes and even fisheye. If it fits, the CTSMD can mount it and conceal it. Installation is fast, simple, and requires no special tools. To install, use the serrated flange bolt to cut your opening in the ceiling tile. Then drop in the mounting plate and base, secure it with the locking nut, and you're ready to mount your camera. Attach your camera to the plate with the included self-drilling screws. Adjust your camera height as needed by raising or lowering the flange bolt. Run your cables clearly through the center of the bolt, then snap the dome cover into place for a polished, professional look. Every CE-CTSMD comes with 2 masks, one with a cutout to conceal the camera, and a full no-cutout mask for use as a dummy dome when a camera isn't needed. Flexible, fast, professional. The CE-CTSMD delivers a clean, consistent look for any dome camera install. Available now at clintonelectronics.com.